Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ajari Fandi Harahap with student ID number 63256676 and from class 63.2C.07. And in this video, I will present project 1 which is divided into two parts. In the first part, I will explain why bad habits are so difficult to change and how we can overcome them. Then in the second part, I will continue with comparison. Without further ado, let's begin to part 1. In our daily lives, many of us struggle with bad habits such as procrastinating, spending too much time on social media, staying up late, or having unhealthy lifestyles. Even though we want to stop these habits, changing them is often much harder than we expect. In this video, I will discuss the reason why bad habits are difficult to break, how the brain creates habits through a process called the habit loop, and effective ways to replace bad habits with better ones, based on research and ideas from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Bad habits are difficult to change because the brain works automatically through a process called the bad habit loop. Cue or trigger, routine, and reward. When a habit is repeated for a long time, the brain creates strong neural pathways, making the behavior feel automatic and harder to stop. Bad habits are hard to break for several reasons. First, the brain is already used the old pattern. Second, bad habits often give instant pleasure, even if they are harmful in the long term. Third, stress and negative emotion can trigger unhealthy behaviors, such as overeating or scrolling on social media. Lastly, staying in the same environment often brings back the same triggers. To change a bad habit, a person must first understand when, where, and why the habit happens, instead of trying to remove a habit completely. It is better to replace it with a healthier routine that gives a similar reward. This idea is called replace. Replace, don't remove. Small steps are so important. According to James Clear in Atomic Habits, starting with a simple habit that takes only 2 minutes can change easier. Improving the environment also helps, such as removing distraction and placing good habits within reach. Consistency matters more than perfection. Research by Philippa Lally showed that building a new habit takes around 66 days, not 21 as many people believe. Failing once is normal, but continuing to try is what truly matters. In conclusion, changing bad habit is not only about willpower. It requires the right system, supporting surroundings, and passion. With consistent effort, anyone can develop better habits and improve themselves. Thank you. Okay, after discussing how bad habits can be changed in part 1, I will now move to part 2, which focuses on comparison. And we're going to talk about comparison in English. We cover three things: positive, comparative, superlative. So, what is comparison? Simply put, it's how we compare things in English. There are three levels: positive for equal things, comparative for two things, and superlative for three or more. First, the positive degree. We use this when two things are equal. The formula is simple: S plus adjective plus S. For example, she is as tall as her sister. If they're not equal, just add not. She is not as tall as her brother. That's it. Next, the comparative degree. We use this to compare two things. Short adjective get long adjective get more. So tall becomes taller and expensive becomes more expensive. Always add then after. Here are some examples. John is taller than Mike. This pond is more expensive than that one. See the pattern? Short adjective add er, long adjective add more, and always use then to connect the two things. Now, the superlative. We use this when comparing three or more things. Short adjective get the plus us, long adjective get the most. So tall become the tallest, and beautiful becomes the most beautiful. Don't forget the at the beginning. Look at this example. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. She is the most intelligent student in the class. Notice words like in the world or in the class. They show the group we're comparing within. Now, these ones you just have to memorize. They don't follow the rule. Good becomes better than the best. Bad become worse than the worst. Much become more than the most. These are very common, so please learn them by heart. Two bonus structure here. First, double comparative. The harder you study, the better your grade will be. One thing goes up, the other follow. Second, less and least, which are the opposite of more and most. This is less interesting than that one. Quick warning. These are most common mistake. Don't say more taller or the most tallest. Don't say more better, better. It's already comparative. And don't say more smart. Just say smarter. Always check before you speak. So let's wrap it up. Positive as plus adjective plus as. Comparative adjective plus plus than or more plus adjective plus than. Superlative. The plus adjective, the plus us, or the most plus adjective. 3 degrees, 3 rules keep in this mind. And that verb. Remember that you practice, the better you get. Don't be scared to the mistake. Thank you for listening and feel free to ask any question. Thank you.